Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Cloud OS login on Compute Engine, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Google Cloud OS login on Compute Engine, begin by accessing your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the Compute Engine section from the sidebar. Once there, select the VM Instances option. Locate the instance for which you want to disable OS login. Click on the instance name to open its details page. In the instance details, scroll down to the metadata section. Here, you will find the SSH keys and custom metadata tabs. Select the Edit button at the top of the page. In the Custom Metadata tab, you can add new metadata entries. To disable OS login, enter Enable OS login in the key field. Set the value field to false to turn off OS login. After adding the metadata, click the Save button to apply the changes. Next, you will need to verify your SSH access. Open your terminal or SSH client. Input the command to connect to your instance using standard SSH keys. If successful, you will now have access without OS login. Finally, ensure that IAM permissions are adjusted accordingly. You have successfully disabled Google Cloud OS login on your Compute Engine instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.